Hey, what's up, guys? This is Justifly, and today I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm going to show y'all how to boil water by just using a 12-volt battery. Simple 12-volt battery and a wire. Like, this is the wire that they use for jewelry, but oh, and some heavy gauge wire, because you do not, I repeat, you do not want to try this with some thin gauge wire, because it will melt and you can burn yourself. Shocking yourself really isn't the problem. Like, oh, battery's not strong enough, but if you have a bigger battery, I would be careful. This wire is too thick. Like, whenever you use it, it like it doesn't short out, it just doesn't connect good. It's too much power. It allows too much power to go through. Alright. You saw how it sparked? It never caught on, but this is what it sounds like when you start to boil the water. What I suggest first is to take that, wrap it around there, and connect it to the battery. The reason why I don't do that is because it sparks in the terminals and kind of messes up the terminals. But I let the wires strand through the cables. All you gotta do is connect it. Try not to make it spark. There we go. Got a good connection. See? Let me not use that. Alright. As you can see, dang, that's getting hot quick. Holy crap. You can see the current, not the current like as in electricity, but the water current. It swirls the hot water coming from the wire. Trying to push this back in there. Because if it gets lifted up, it can get really hot, as you saw. Now this is good if you're like stranded in the woods or something, or if it's really cold, you need to melt some snow, and it's wet like all over the place. You can just melt snow, maybe drink it, trying to make it stay in there. Or if you need to start a fire, you saw how it got red hot. You can start a fire easily. Watch this. You're in the wild, you need to get a quick fire. Bam, my brothers. These very simple little tools, a battery, 2 thick cables, and some thin jewelry wire. And there we got it. Boiling water by using a 12-volt battery. As you can see, the steam from the battery, that's not just freaking, that's boiling. That's crazy. Yeah, dog. About time. Been trying to do this for a while. The trick is to have a very good connection. Don't waste any power. Keep it on there for a long time. Oh yeah, that's boiling for real. Dang, that's hot. See? That's pretty cool though. See, as you can see, the steam is proof that it's boiling. You see? I'll take it off. See? And look, I'm gonna move this to show you that there's no heating element up under this, whatever, the bowl. Hot. Damn. Hot. See? Even though that's really freaking hot. See? Just connect it to the battery. And this is at full battery this time, as you can already tell. Okay. Yeah. Dang. Hate these bad connections. They're really boring. Dang. Yeah, that's straight up oil right there. You can see the individual bubbles right there. What happens when the wire gets old? Well, not old, but when it builds up corrosion. Yeah, that's what I want right there. There we go. Yes. That's how you do it. And make sure, well, all you gotta do. Dang, yeah, that's really boring. That's how you boil water, my friends. Let me try to push that back down in there more. There we go. Heck yeah, dude. Survival. I'm gonna add some more water. Whoa, that was weird. This is what it looks like when you pull it completely out of the water. See? Let's get him on there. Make it get red hot. Whoa. Try pulling it. But that's what it looks like. Wow, that produces a lot of heat. See, the connection on it's weak. Bam, my brothers. Well, heck, if you need to cut some wood, hot wire cutter. blend it. That's pretty cool.
You can make it boil a lot quicker if you have it as spiral type design at the bottom, but only had that one wire. So that's pretty good for that one wire. Imagine if I had a whole spiral of it down at the bottom of the bowl. It'll heat up in like 30 seconds. But yeah, I'll try to make another video about that. Maybe if I get some more wire. Boil some pasta. I don't know about cooking chicken or anything like that. You would have to have a lot bigger wire spool because of the heat loss from you cooking the food. So that's pretty good.
There you go. That's how you boil water by just using a simple 12-volt battery, some heavy gauge wire, and some jewelry wire.